Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a Mazda like CX-7, Mazda 3 or Mazda 6 with a 2.3 engine, guys, turbo engine, it might actually work for other engines as well, and you're trying to locate your EGR valve, guys, because we have a code related to EGR valve. Stay with us and we'll explain where the EGR valve is located, how to replace it, what needs to be done. We have the engine out of the car so we can show you now a little bit better, because otherwise it's really hard to show you. In the meantime, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So let's start on it now. So this is, guys, 2.3 turbo engine out of the car. So now we can explain a little bit what we're talking about. This is the front of the engine. This is your intake manifold, the side of the engine with the serpentine belt. Now if you come towards the back side right here, guys, okay, that's where your EGR valve is located. Okay, it is located, guys, right here. This is your EGR valve with the EGR tube here as well. I have this one removed. It has only two. Okay, this is the one that gets plugged up usually really bad. You can see ours, we have quite a bit of deposits as well. So this is, guys, the valve. Now in order to remove and replace it, you need to disconnect the wire, you need to disconnect these holes, and after that, guys, all we have to do, okay, you have two bolts and you're ready to go ahead, remove and replace your EGR valve. As you can see, not very complicated at all. Now on the car, guys, what do you need to do on the car? You have the car battery here, so you might need to remove the car battery to get to it, and after that you should be able to get to it and remove it. It's a little bit limited room, but it's doable. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you trying to locate it and replace it and know what needs to be done. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car and engine. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.